Hi everyone, my name is Aisha and in this video we are going to discuss about an online teaching tool that is Google Jamboard. So you have to sign in into your Gmail account. Then you can see here the application of Google Jamboard. So click on Jamboard. Google Jamboard is an application that is used as a digital board while you are teaching online. So here you can see the interface like this and you can see tap plus to create one. So click on this plus sign. And you can see Untitled Jam, and this is your board or the digital board that you can use for online teaching. First of all, you can see here the first is background, and you can see the white background, you can see this type of background, and you can see rules, that is the whiteboard with the lines. You can see squares, you can see graph, you can see blue board, you can see blackboard. So these are the different types of backgrounds available in the Google Jamboard. You can select any one. So I am selecting the first one, that is whiteboard. The second thing is that you can see here the different tools: pen, eraser, selection tool, then sticky notes, you can add image, you can add circles and the different shapes from this tool. Then you can add text box and you can use the laser also. We will see one by one. So I am going to use the pen. Suppose I am writing something. Like this. So I can erase it also using the eraser. Then you can use the sticky notes. Suppose this is the example of sticky notes. You can choose the different colors from this and save that sticky notes. Sticky notes will appear here. You can duplicate it also. Click here and make duplicate. So you can create the number of sticky notes also. Then you can add image also. You can add image, select any image from your system, from Google image search, from Drive, and you can add the photo. Then you can use the different shapes also. Here are the different shapes: circle, square, triangle, diamond, etc. So I am going to show this. You can use this type of images. Here is the text box. You can use the text box for writing. So like this you can write also. You can use the laser while teaching. One more thing I want to show is you have the option of zoom in and zoom out here. So if you want to zoom this area, you can zoom in and you can zoom out. So this is very good feature of Jamboard that is not available in other software, zoom in, zoom out. You can save this Jamboard also. You can click here and you can take it you can download as a PDF to this Jamboard notes, and you can save the frame as a image also. You use the Google Jamboard. You can clear the frame. Now the board is clear. Another type of board that you can use efficiently is for showing the graph. So this is also the very good feature of Google Jamboard. You can show or you can explain the graph also. So I think these options are not available in other softwares of board. So this is the way to use the Google Jamboard while online teaching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.